What's up guys, it's Travis. In this video, I'm gonna show you my best terrible woodworking tips. Yeah, I said that right. I'm hoping to show you guys maybe the right way to not do things, as well as maybe give you guys a little bit of a laugh along the way. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and on to the terrible woodworking tips. Planning is for suckers. Everybody knows the best thing to do is just get started and everything will sort itself out. When it comes to selecting wood for your next project, everybody knows the wetter, the better. When in doubt, use epoxy. Now, epoxy. Well, these boards fit together terribly. A little epoxy should take care of that. I really need a piece of walnut, but all I have is a scrap piece of pine. A little epoxy should take care of that. I need to go pick up some wood for my next project. Or do I? Epoxy. When you're all out of wood filler, chewing gum is a good substitute. Oh yeah, that's gonna look real nice. Forget about using straight boards. Warped or bowed boards add another level of difficulty and they make your project a little bit more exciting. Everybody knows that walnut is disgusting, so be sure to use at least 3 coats of paint to make sure you completely cover up all the wood grain. When sanding, why waste your time with all these grits when you know you're just going to end up with 220 grit anyway? When you're getting ready to stain your final project, never test on a smaller piece of wood before you do it because it leaves an element of surprise. Wow, that looks nothing like I thought it would. When doing glue ups, everybody knows it's impossible to use too much glue. It's gonna look really nice. Don't bother with the dust mask. Wood is high in fiber. Everybody always says measure twice and cut once, but think of all the time you're gonna save by only measuring once and cutting once. If you're checking your brand new tools to see if they're square, you're wasting your time because everybody knows all brand new tools come from the factory perfectly square. When you first get started in woodworking, you should buy the most expensive tools because everybody knows that it makes up for any lack of talent. I really hope you guys enjoyed this funny video as a little bit of a break from more serious videos. Hopefully it showed you guys what not to do in woodworking. Don't do any of these things, but what you should do is like, comment, and subscribe and check out one of these videos that will actually show you how to do something useful. See you guys.